excited to unbox this. This one is the 12 times magnifying glass with the light and stand, 144 LED brightness magnifying lamp with a 10 brightness level that you could adjust, and 5 color temperature. It's a hand-free metal desk lamp for craft, reading, painting, hobby, clothes work, or soldering. So this one has a larger luminous surface and super brightness. It offers anti-blue light, no shadow, long life. It is made by 12X. So yeah, with the 12 times magnification, it is great for reading and working on your craftsmanship. So the 5 color temperatures, which is offered 3000K soft light, 3500K relaxing, 4000K natural white, 5000K concentrated, and 6500K daylight. So with the up and down, you can adjust 225 degree and 135 degree forward and back, left and right 360 degree. And this one uses USB for the power, and it has 2 mounting style. One is the heavy duty stabilizing stand. The other one is the convenient desktop C clamp. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description so you could check it out. And I would like to give the shout out to their marketing team for their for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and show you guys the magnifying glass. By 12X. It's good for eye health. The products are made in China. And right here is the specifications. So they come with 2 cleaning cloths. It's a C clamp or the desk stand. Two of the microfiber cleaning cloth. So you're gonna clamp this on your table in case you don't have a space. So yeah, this allows you to rotate 360 degrees. Then up and down 225. So check out the desk stand right here, pretty heavy. The thumb screw right here. Make sure you loosen it all the way so you could insert the lamp through. Let's go and then plug in and test it out. Okay, let me turn it on. So it has 5 different mode. You see. So right now it's 6500K, 5000K, 4000K, 3500K, and 3000K. And this is to lower the brightness and make it brighter on the to go up. So yeah, it is 10 level. Let me bring in some charms. It's very small. See, I can see it. So yeah, imagine you have some kind of jewelry repair or something like that. It's very tiny. Or if you have a watch repair or something like that, you use the magnifying glass. Yeah, the video is not doing it. It's just this. So let's see. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Always. Peace.